everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about properties of whole numbers. So if you have not seen my previous videos, then please check the description box. I'll mention all the links over there. And if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, share my videos and obviously give a like. So let us begin with the chapter.
We know the four basic operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on whole numbers. Now let us learn the properties of these operations on whole numbers. There are 5 properties. Those are closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property and distributive law of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Now we'll learn about the distributive law of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Ma'am, what is distributive law of multiplication? Okay. The distributive law of multiplication is a very useful property that lets you simplify expressions in which you are multiplying a number by a sum or difference. Are you getting confused? Okay. Let us learn the clear concept. The distributive law of multiplication over addition. Okay. If A, B and C are any 3 whole numbers, then A multiplied by B plus C will be equals to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. How it will happen? Let us take one example. So here if we take 8 multiplied by 12, then see, if we don't know the table of 12, so what to do here? So we can split this 12 in various ways, but let us take it as 7 plus 5 because we know the tables of 7 as well as 5. So we can take here 8 multiplied by 7 and 8 multiplied by 5. We know the tables of 7 and 8 both, so we'll get here 56 and here we'll get 40. Now by adding those we'll get 96, which is the answer. So when we don't know the table of a bigger number, so we can split that bigger number in smaller numbers and we can use this property which will help us to find the result. Okay, now I am giving you A is 5, B is 8 and C is 7. So find it whether they are equal or not by putting the values under this. Okay, now pause the video and try it out. So let us learn about the distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. If A, B and C are any 3 whole numbers, then A multiplied by B minus C within the bracket is equals to within a bracket A multiplied by B minus within another bracket A multiplied by C. Okay, so let us take one example here. If we take 6 multiplied by 18. Now we don't know the table of 18. So what to do here? So for that we can take 6 multiplied by within the bracket 20 minus 2. Now I think you are thinking about that why I have taken 20 and 20 is bigger than 18. So how can we solve this? See, 20 is having a 0, right? So it will be very easy for us to multiply this 20 with any number. Okay, so that's why I have taken 20 minus 2. So here we can write 6 multiplied by 20 within a bracket minus 6 multiplied by 2. Okay. So here at first we will write 0 and 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So 120 we are getting here minus 12. So if we subtract those we will get 108, which is the answer. Okay. So you can see here it becomes easy for us to find the result by using this property. Okay. Now I want you to find whether the left hand side and the right hand side are equal or not by putting the values of A is 13, B is 8 and C is 5. So pause the video and try it out by yourself. Now, multiplicative property of 0. If a is any whole number, then a multiplied by 0 is equals to 0 multiplied by a will be 0. Okay, let us take a is equals to 5. So, 5 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Again, 0 multiplied by 5 will become 0. So, that means we can say whatever a is, means a will be any whole number. So, if we multiply that a with 0, so obviously we will get 0. Okay, this is the multiplicative property of 0.